Hey, what's up guys? Really quick video today. I actually didn't have anything planned, so I wanted to at least make a quick one. Been pretty busy, but I'm going to show you about miter types. So let's say you have a cube here, right? And we add a bevel modifier to it, maybe 3 segments because that's the good middle ground, and obviously we want to have some hard normals turned on, maybe drop the offset a bit. So in this case, miter type doesn't really matter. You're going to see you have sharp, an arc, and the inner one I never really touch, but the outer one's what matters. So right now it's actually fine, but the moment you add in a cut, for example, by the way, if you have hard ops, it does this automatically, so I'm not going to use hard ops. Still good to know if you even if you have it. So let's say I cut in a corner here, right? We'll just run a difference boolean. You're gonna see we have these really nasty corners, like even from a distance they just look awful. See, that's like an arrow or an axis or something like that. Really easy fix. We go here, go to geometry, we go to miter outer, change it to arc, and boom, we're done. And this is the default in hard ops, like I said, and that's just a good way to get concave objects like this to have a bit nicer shading. So that's all for the video today. I'll be back on track after this one because I've just been pretty busy, but hopefully this helps someone out there that's been getting that nasty shading.